Beef is tender.
Wow.
Very tender. Really good. Really, really good, Chris.
Excellent. Definitely would try this.
Like
And I actually look forward to doing it at home with my wife.
I might add mushrooms next time. I think mushrooms would be a nice little addition to this. Hey guys, welcome back. Griddle guys are here. It's got Jeff, Nate, myself, Chris. And we are doing a ribeye, beef and broccoli, a little bit of onions, spicy. I'm gonna put it over with some white rice. Ingredients, there's a lot of them. Nate's kind of flipping out as usual.
Thought it was at Jeff's house.
But it's well worth it. I made it earlier this week. It was fantastic. My brother does this, once a week. He does it, so he gave me a couple ideas. So I've thrown some of his ideas into this cook. But really good, really tasty. Nate, you already tried it this week. Spicy,
really good.
Just the right amount of spice. Jeff, it'll be a nice surprise for you today.
Steaks look beautiful.
Yeah, we didn't cheap out on the steaks. Spent some money, but it should be really good. We're gonna have Nate cut that up, get the fat pieces out, and just try to get the nice lean beef in there. So, welcome back.
Duncan wants in.
Yeah, I should
Let the dog in.
No, I mean he wants into the cook.
Oh yeah.
Where's mine?
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We appreciate it. Stay with us.
Check out the ingredients.
Yeah.
We'll do the ingredient rundown in a couple minutes. All right, guys. So we're gonna have Nate start slicing up the beef. With this cook, we're gonna do onions. Excuse me. We're gonna do onions, broccoli. I've got about 3 cloves of garlic, about 2 teaspoons of ginger. We got some black pepper, some sherry sauce, some dry wine, some soy sauce, a little bit of cornstarch to just get it thickened up a little bit. My favorite sriracha. And that's what's going to go in for. We're going to do a little marinating with the beef. So once Nate cuts that all up, I'm going to throw those all ingredients except for these. We'll do these later.
Chris sporting a new shirt, by the way.
Oh yeah, I like that. How's it look?
Looks good. Looks good.
And we're going to just let the meat marinate for probably 20 minutes or so. And then we'll make the gravy that they're actually going to put on top of this while we're cooking, which will include, over here, Jeff, a little bit of oyster sauce, some sugar. I'll throw a little red pepper in there. And when we're all done, we're going to top it off with some sesame seeds. And I have green onions somewhere.
Behind me.
There they are. Which Jeff or Nate will cut this up for me with their special knife skills. You don't want to see me cut it up. That's why I cut it up before you guys come. All right, guys, so I'm just going to quickly make the marinade for the beef. Calls for, I've tripled up on the recipe. Oh, look at that. So 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Whoa, there's a lot. Of sherry, it's supposed to be 3. It's about 3. Let's see, the cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons. Okay. And then I'll throw a little of the sriracha in here.
Seems like no cook goes by without it.
Eyeball it. And some black pepper.
Definitely some good quality steaks, Chris.
Yeah, those look good. Give it a little mix.
I voted to leave the fat on. Chris said he wants all fat trimmed off, so.
Well, you don't, I mean, not all the fat. You can keep some of it. And you just don't want it to be chewy.
Steaks like this,
Yeah, it shouldn't
not a
be.
problem.
So there's our sauce. Smells good. Smell that. Smells yummy. All right, so we're gonna marinate as soon as Nate's done, and we'll be back. We're gonna make the sauce that we're gonna mix on the griddle later on with all the vegetables and the meat. All right, guys. Nate just cut these up real nice. I mean, it looks perfect. This is a nice pieces of beef. I'm just gonna throw the marinade in here, and then we'll just let it sit in the fridge for probably 20 minutes or so. Want to do your famous toss in there, Nate, or you want to mix that up?
You should get in there with your hands.
I'm not gonna. I'll do a spoon.
Get her in all the nooks and crannies, like Chef John says.
Oh, it smells good. Jeff, you smell this shit?
Yeah. Looks good too.
Yes. All right, stomach's rumbling.
Do we have to wait 20 minutes?
Yummy.
Do
Yeah, I'm
we,
gonna
do
throw
we
this in the
really?
fridge.
Do we really have to wait? 'Cause-
Maybe 15.
All right. Nice.
Anyway, we'll get the other sauce going for when we're cooking. Gonna fire the griddle up, get it warmed. Good to go.
First off, Jeff, back up with the camera. Get it away from my face.
It's my video, nice and tight on him, Jeff.
Nice.
Nice and tight.
All right, so guys, we got the sauce that Chris made earlier was for the marinade for the meat.
Which is in the fridge now.
When we get close to the end of this cook, we have more sauce that we're making that is actually the sauce that's going to go. It kind of coats the rice. It is more than just what is marinating the meat. So these ingredients are a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, a tablespoon of the sherry wine, tablespoon of cornstarch. That's going to thicken it up and make it coat the meat and vegetables real nicely.
How many tablespoons of oyster sauce?
Well, I'm tripling up, Jeff, because it's
Because we have more.
that's for 2. We're doing for 6.
As Nate's saying,
This is
one, I
3
see
of
you
us.
doing.
What was the
All right.
sherry?
The sherry is 1 tablespoon, so 3.
3.
And then lastly, it's 1/8 of a teaspoon of black or white pepper. So we didn't want you guys to think that the only sauce that went on this was the marinade we mixed up earlier. All right, you can come back to my face now. While not that close.
Sorry.
While
Get in
Chris
there.
is doing that, guys, awesome comments. The comments on the channel, we love them. There's so much stuff that we just crack up. But do us a favor, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It'd be great if you hit the bell, but that really helps the channel, helps us out a lot, helps us get ahead.
Share it. Share the video too.
Yeah.
Tell your friends. Tell your family.
So when you guys subscribe and like, it tells the algorithm that people want to watch it. So we really appreciate it. That being said, are we done, Chris?
All done. Got it all going. Next up. All right, guys. So ready to throw this down. We're gonna start with the vegetables. I'm gonna get that going. At the same time, Jeff's gonna get the beef going. You want to throw a little oil down first, Jeff? Oh, you think we need it?
Yeah.
Throw a little down. And I'm gonna take a little of that too. Actually. Get the griddle nice and hot. With the ginger and the garlic. Get that started. And I'm gonna add my onions. And the broccoli. And I'm gonna use a dome. We got our big ass dome out. We'll try to steam this up so it gets a nice little green. Nate, you're doing nothing, are you? You're
Nothing.
just watching over there,
Nothing.
Nate?
This is like molten.
I gotta walk over here because
Sugar.
I'm doing so little, I'm using my mic. I don't mind watching you guys work.
Cook it pretty quick.
It's cooking quick.
Yep. Well, this is going to take no time at all. We're just going to put this all together. We'll mix it up over here, add the sauce, put it over some white rice, and we're ready to go. I think we're hungry, too.
Yeah. That looks good.
There's you on that.
Looks good. Smells good.
I don't want to cook them too much. I still want to have a little crunch in the broccoli and the onions. So, those look good.
Yeah.
A little bit of prep to get to this point, but once you get here, it goes really quick. And it's nice having a helper. And I don't know if you can see the dog, but he's our other helper too. Oh yeah, we're almost done here.
This is really quick.
Yeah. So I think that's just about ready to be mixed right in here, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
A couple more.
Huh?
A little bit more.
You think so? Add a little more water?
Give me a little bit more time with the steak. Make sure I get each of them brown nicely. And then you can pretty much eat this stuff rare.
Yeah. That's done. That was yummy. Wow. Smells really good. Oh, I meant to add a little red pepper to the steak. We'll
Of course you did.
Forgot about that. Just a little bit.
Because the sriracha is not enough.
Not too crazy. All right, so this is done. I don't want to cook it anymore. Get all that garlic all over everything.
You ready to toss it?
Yeah, let's mix it all together.
Here.
Sauce. I'm gonna have you take both tongs, Jeff. You can stop flipping them up and down. Mix that all up good.
Oh, yeah.
Smells delicious. Right, platter right there, Nate, right on the counter. Thanks for doing something. Breaking. When you get out of your, go out of your way. You sure you got that?
I'm breaking a sweat.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep mixing, keep tossing, get all that coating over everything.
What are we doing with the rice?
We got the rice all done. It's
Rice is
inside.
all
We're
done?
just gonna plate. We're gonna plate.
So this
some
just
rice
goes
and-
right on the rice.
No, we're gonna make
it goes on
individual
the
plates.
platter.
We'll do
Okay.
individual plates. All right, I think you're good. Couple more mixes. You want that to cook a little bit, the sauce. It's not as thick as the other one, Nate, I don't think, when we made it the other day, right?
Definitely thickening up.
Yeah. I like it better.
Yeah. How's that, Chris?
Yeah, that's good. Load it up. And you will have a messy grill after this, but that's all right. A lot of cleaning.
Nope.
What
I got the cleaning
Nate's got a
solution.
new solution.
It's gonna be one of our videos.
Stay tuned.
Done.
Done. We're
Yeah.
gonna plate it up. We'll see you inside. Oh yeah.
That looks
Smells
good.
awesome.
Let us know how it tastes. Go ahead.
Looks picture pretty.
The cook was very quick. It was what do you think? 5 minutes total once we started?
Yeah. Yeah, that was definitely really quick.
So we threw it over white rice that Nate had made earlier.
Really good. Really, really good, Chris.
Beef is tender.
Wow.
Very tender.
It should be.
I got the mucho.
Tucky.
Yeah.
Got a little heat.
Not as spicy as I was looking to get, but it's still a little bit something at the back end. But nothing like the last one.
The broccoli and onion cooked on the underside, a little crispy. I like that.
Perfect.
A little crunch.
Yeah.
Really
So when
is.
you guys are making this, just depends on how you like your veggies. If you like them totally cooked, you got to go a little longer. These are still crisp tender, which I like. I prefer it. But the sauce and the seasoning, I get a little bit of heat, but it's outstanding. Better than anything you get.
It's good with the rice too. I like the rice combo with it.
Yeah.
Really good.
Better than anything you get from Chinese takeout, that's for sure. It tastes a
Right.
hell of a lot fresher.
Yep.
You?
And you can see how quick it was. You can probably only hear my mic from me chewing. But excellent. Definitely would try this. And I actually look forward to doing it at home with my wife.
I might add mushrooms next time. I think mushrooms would be a nice little addition to this. You know, more veggies the better. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody is doing well out there. As Nate had mentioned earlier, like, subscribe, share.
Thanks to Zone for editing.
Zone, you're the man. Thank you so much. Keep it up. Made our lives a lot easier. But thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.